Hi, so today I'm going to show you five things you got to know about Procreate. So first is tools. As you can see, it says gallery on the left corner. Next to gallery is a wrench. You can press on the wrench and it will come out like this. There's add, canvas, share, video, prefs, and help. These two, add, canvas, and prefs can help the most. Canvas, there's drawing guide. Drawing guide is pretty useful, so press into it, edit drawing guide, press, and then as you can see, there's bottom lines, bottom things. Usually it would start like this, 2D grid. There's also isometric, perspective, and symmetry. Symmetry is the most useful one of all, for now. If you don't like how it's placed, you can go to options. This is vertical. Horizontal is like that. Quadrant is like that with 4 little boxes, and radical is like this. So first, it would be best to start with vertical. Now, there. If you don't want to use it, just go back to 2D grid, press cancel, you go here, and then press the wrench, and then you can see drawing guide, turn it off. There's also animation assist. There's animation assist. You press it on. Okay, so let's say you draw something. Okay, now you can press add frame. As you can see, there is this. All you need to do is trace over it. Add another frame, same thing. Okay, so now once you're happy, you can press play. It would look like this, but you can also make it look something different. Next to add frame is settings. Press into settings. There's loop, ping pong, and one shot. I prefer ping pong. So now try again. Now it looks kind of different. Press pause. And then you can just stop it. So then you have this. Number 2, the magic wand. The magic wand is a lot of things. And then the magic wand can do things differently from the tool. You go to magic wand that's next to the wrench. There's a lot of things. So first I'm going to show you liquefy. Let's say we draw a circle. And then you go to the magic wand. At the second bottom, there's liquefy. Now, I like to use push. There. You can change the shape. If you didn't like how it was. If you want to do it again, just press reset. Still, you don't like it and you don't want to use reset, you can use reconstruct. So you just need to swipe it around. There. There's also crystals. It just makes it look pretty. There. I'm using reconstruct. Then if you want to use pinch, press it in the middle and it all comes together. And then there's expand. It just makes it go big and the lines might go thinner. And then there's twirl right, twirl left. Fun. Then there's twirl left. There. Now, now there's size. You don't like how your pen is maybe too big, too small. To change the size, all you need to go is here. If you're right hand, it should be on your right-handed side. But if you are left hand, it would be on your left-hand side. Quick tip. Here's a good way to make it change sides. Go to the wrench, go to prefs, and then right hand interface, turn it off, and it will be on your left hand. But I'm a right-handed, so I'll be using it here. To change it, all you need to do is lower it down. Lower it down. Maybe if it's too small, put it up a bit. But if you're going here, but you also want another one, what do? And then you can't find it back. All you need to do is press into it. As you can see, there's this little add thingy on the right corner. Press it. There. Now, it's going down, but there's still that line. So, if I go here, the line will still be here, and I'll be able to do that. There. If you want to get rid of the line, just press into it, and instead of an add, it's a line. Okay, now I'm going to show you the ellipse. So first, not many people are good at drawing circles. Here's a good tip. You draw a bad circle, hold on to it at the end. Now there's a perfect circle. But if you want it to be really perfect, instead of an oval, just use another finger and press it. There. And never color like this in Procreate. Never. Always use color fill, unless you can't do it. So there's this color palette, color thing on the top right corner. Press it. Take it here. There. Now, look. There's this little white part. How do you get rid of it? Not by doing that. No. So, you do it like this. Hold on it. It says threshold. Now, you want to go up a bit. There. Perfect. Not much white parts anymore, is there? Okay. Now, the final thing. Layers. Next to the colors, there's layers. Okay. Layer 1. You just, let's say, draw something. Hi. There. Now, you want to add another layer. Go. Now, you accidentally draw something bad. Okay? That's just an example. Now, it looks like you might erase the other things, right? But it really just only erases what you did on this layer. So, if I did this on this layer, and it went on layer 1, I would only erase hi, the word hi. Now, there's also a way of deleting layers. Deleting layers are super easy. Now, I add a layer. You don't want that layer anymore. You press here. You swipe to the left. You can see lock, duplicate, and delete. you want to delete it, you obviously press delete. There. Now, you can also do this. As you can see on the right side, there's a little tick on all the layers. Now, if you check the background layer and then put it down, all you can see is this, really. But you can still draw on it. Also, look at this N next to the tick. Is opacity. I draw something. I use color fill. And then I go and then I want to trace it. But how do I do that? Now, to lower down the opacity, an easy way, just press the N. Now, the one under it says opacity. There. Opacity. I'm going to go with 66. And then on there too, you can start drawing. There. And we're done for today. Bye.